Good afternoon. This is Phil Alexander for SimPole, showing you our wonderful idea, Taper-4-1. And what it is basically a 4-foot pole you can use for trad, so you can easily put a squeegee on it and you're all set. But what makes this totally unique is you can take your section 5 through 8 or 5 through 10 of any SimPole, or 5 through 12, and then those sections make another pole. So here you go, you got another pole with the Taper 4-1. And the other guy can continue to use, or if you're doing a double water-fed pole situation, you have your 1 through 4 used. And you could do a lot of scrubbing. This is the new Sim pad with walnut on it, and the water bar and 4 jets. Anyways, you can see that we are constantly thinking outside the box. It will fit on your Excalibur 2, and most likely the trad 4-1 will fit on any pole because it's tapered. And so depending on the clamp size, whether it's a Tucker or a 0, it should fit, and it's only 175. So you don't really need a trad pole anymore. You can use your poles, and this will make a trad or a water-fed pole. So SimPole's been out for 13 years. We've been innovating. Back in 2007, we were a total USA manufactured pole. We're going back. We're coming home. So stay tuned for some exciting things coming from SimPole. In the meantime, the Shogun is our signature pole, and 30 feet, go up to 60 feet. We're running some really good sales on it. Just check out our website, www.simple.com. Remember, we think about the little guy.